Hello again everyone, welcome to another paper airplane tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to make another paper aircraft from Star Wars movie, the Imperial Shuttle. Okay, to make this origami, you need a piece of US letter size paper. You can also use an A4 paper. Now, first of all, let me fold the paper in half this way. And on the following step, we'll start from the top edge, fold to the other edge, and then I'll repeat the same fold for the other side. So I will move it down a little bit to make sure that all edges are lined up. And I'll move it up so you guys can see it clearly. Okay, after I finish one side, I'll repeat the same fold for the other side. I'll start from the top edge again, I'll fold to this edge. And I want to make sure that all edges are lined up. And when all edges are lined up, I can just fresh out the paper to create a crease. You may need to adjust it a little bit. Alright, so after you finish all creases, let's flip the paper over. And now you have a point here, the intersection of all creases. Use that point as a reference and start from this side, fold it down. Use the center crease as your reference as well. Make sure that the crease on the upper layer now match with the other layer. So alright, now let's unfold the paper. Now I will flip the paper over and put the paper like this, and I'll use both hands for this edge or this crease to the center crease. So for both sides to the center crease, and this is what you should have. And from your point of view, you can see something like this. On the top here, you can see this point or this upper layer. There's a crease. Just press this down to the center crease. This might be off a little bit. If it's off, you need to fix it. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to do the next step. On the following step, let's fold. We need to have this side stand up, so just hold this like this, and now I will start from this edge or the upper layer, and this corner I'll fold down like this. I'll fold a little bit more actually, okay, to the center crease too, maybe not. So I'll start from this side, I'll fold it in, and I will start estimate about half an inch, 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and I'll fold it like this. And something for this side, right? I'll just fold it in. And now we have both sides like this. You need to fix it, make sure that both sides are even. Okay. So you can fold both sides like this, one over the other. So that make sure that both sides are even. So that's look good. That's look good for now. And now you can, I will mash them. I'll merge them together. I'll fold them like this. So you notice the creases that we make in the past now match. You see this line match with the other line. Now I can fold both sides up. See, this is what you should have for now. And then you can fix this and this as well. Okay, and now I'll press the paper down again. Keep that part together. Okay, that's fine. Keep that part together. And fold this one up. We do not fold it up. We just press this down. And on the following step, I will start from the top here. I fold it down like this. I fold it down a little bit more. You can see I stuck this in here. Let me pull both sides out and I'll fold this one in. You see that? Okay. You see this part in. Fold this down, and I'll push this one back. I push this one back, and now I can pull this one up, and you know this part is down ready. I just press this down. So let's see what you should have. Make sure that you fix the joints between the two sides of the wings. And now I can fold the paper in half. I fold the paper in half. And rest out. Hard. Very hard. Okay. So look good, right? And on the following step you can create the wings. At the very end, I just fold down, just fold this part down to create the wings. For here, you match this corner to this corner, but you shouldn't match to this corner, but you can match it down a little bit so that you can have the wings will be smaller at the end and this will fly out. So you can fold it like this. And same thing for the other side. Just fold it down. Alright, so let's take a look at this. This is a imperial shuttle, and I will show you guys a little bit more to make it look more like the imperial shuttle. Alright. Just hold on. I need to see how it's look like in reality, and I can show you guys. Okay, so this is how it's look like so far, and I will adjust it a little bit to make it look more like the imperial shuttle. Okay, so we make the top here looks perfectly, but for the wings at the end it doesn't look like how it should look. So at the very end I will fold this up a little bit like this. You can see that I fold up a little bit, and I'll fold both sides up. It should look like this, and I'll fold this one down. See, I'll fold this one down like this. Okay, I'll fold this down, and I'll match start from the center crease here. You see the center crease from the edge with the center crease. Start from this point, fold straight down. Okay. Just fold down. And repeat the same for the other side. Let me flip the paper over, then redo for the other side. Now when you finish both sides, make sure that you just fold it to the center crease. When you finish both sides, you can fold it inward instead. Now you have the creases, just fold it inward. So for this, same thing for this side. And now you can fold into, you notice we have a gap between the upper and lower layer. Just fold in here. Right. And now rest the paper down hard, and then fold the paper in half. And again, start from this side, fold it down. Same thing for the other side. Okay, and here you go, guys. This is the Imperial Shadow from Star Wars movie. You can see this from this size. Test this out, and I hope you guys enjoy making this paper airplane tutorial. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, and subscribe my channels. And what do you think about this origami? Comment below. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.